Are you tired of the same old meals and looking for ways to spice up your cooking? What if I told you that you could transform your kitchen game with just a few simple hacks? Stick around because I'm about to reveal the top trending food hacks of 2024 that will not only save you time and money, but also make your meals Instagram worthy. Let's dive in. First up, we have the tortilla fold hack. This is a game changer for quick lunches or snacks. And I know everybody loves snacks, right? Now watch closely as this tortilla is folded in a unique way to create a delicious handheld meal. I mean, you can fill it with anything from savory chicken and cheese to sweet Nutella and strawberries. The best part? You can customize it to your taste, making it perfect for any occasion. This hack is not just functional, it's a fun way to get creative in the kitchen. Next, let's talk about the tomato ice toast. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine shaving frozen tomatoes over a slice of crispy toast or creamy burrata. The result? A refreshing, vibrant dish that's perfect for summer gatherings or a light snack. This hack is not only visually stunning, but also adds a burst of flavor that will impress your friends and family. Now, if you're looking to save money and reduce food waste, listen up. The ultimate solution is meal planning. And yes, you heard that right, I said meal planning. By dedicating just a little time each week to plan your meals, you can take stock of what you already have and create a detailed shopping list. This means fewer impulse buys and more delicious meals made from what you already own. Imagine the satisfaction of using every ingredient in your fridge and cutting your grocery bill in half. So, there you have it. If you're ready to transform your cooking and enjoy these tips, share with friends and family, subscribe for more delicious secrets, and let's make cooking fun together.